Suppose you are having a lot of images but you want to have a few favorites, then whenever you will hover over your images, then you will find this heart icon on top of them. So click on it, and those images will quickly appear under your favorites. So this is how you use favorites feature of Apple Photos, basically to find quickly all the favorite images of yours. So this doesn't have much to do except that it will be your favorite. So you will find the heart icon on the left, bottom left side of your images. So now we have favorited a couple of photographs and all of them have started appearing under this. So it's a nice feature that you can use to quickly find the images you love. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.